Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Friday, July 18th, 2025. We'll be covering market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes showed mixed performance today. The Nasdaq Composite Index hit a new all-time high, marking its fifth consecutive positive close. The healthcare sector displayed notable weakness, falling 0.6% with a strong negative trend emerging. Market breadth was notably positive today. The Nasdaq Composite showed strong participation with 2,013 advances versus 1,008 declines. The technology sector saw 472 stocks advance against 194 declines. Looking at returns, the technology sector leads with a week-to-date gain of 2.1%. Meanwhile, the healthcare sector shows weakness across all time frames, down 2.5% for the week and 4.3% year-to-date. Among top performers, Dell Technologies surged 5.9% with strong upward volatility. Paycom Software and ON Semiconductor both gained 2.2%, with ON breaking out from 3 days of sideways movement. Looking at returns, ON Semiconductor shows impressive month-to-date gains of 15.9%. Dell Technologies maintains strong momentum with a 7% monthly gain and 13.9% year-to-date return. Among decliners, Advanced Micro Devices fell 2.1% despite maintaining a strong positive trend. Gartner dropped 1.6%, hitting a one-year low with increased downward volatility. In terms of performance, Gartner shows concerning weakness, down 12% month-to-date and 26.6% year-to-date. Fortive continues its negative trend, declining 32.6% year-to-date. Tech-focused ETFs showed minimal movement today, despite maintaining very strong upward trends. Cubes closed at 561.26, down slightly, while the Vanguard Information Technology Index Fund settled at 685.53. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF saw the largest decline at 290.31. Notable sideways movement continues in ProShares Ultra Short QQQ, persisting for 47 days. Year-to-date returns show significant variation among tech ETFs. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF leads with a 19.9% return, while ProShares Ultra Short QQQ has declined nearly 40%. Month-to-date, the Vanguard Information Technology Fund and ProShares Ultra QQQ are both up over 4%.
Looking at stocks and tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Amazon and Alphabet showed strength, with Alphabet notably closing up 8 days consecutively. Microsoft experienced some upward volatility while maintaining a very strong positive trend, despite closing down slightly. Alphabet leads week-to-date returns at 2.5%, while Meta Platforms lags with a minus 1.8% return. Year-to-date, Microsoft and Meta show strong gains of 21% and 20% respectively. Among semiconductor stocks, Blaize surged 58.7% on high volatility. DataVault AI gained 17.5%, while Wolfspeed rose 10% after breaking out of a 6-day sideways pattern. Blaize leads week-to-date returns at 71%, though showing a minus 67% year-to-date decline. Wolfspeed shows remarkable month-to-date gains of 283%, despite a minus 77% year-to-date performance. In cloud computing, Dell Technologies jumped 5.9% with strong upward volatility. SailPoint and Fastly both broke out of sideways patterns, gaining 4.3% and 3.9% respectively. Twilio leads week-to-date returns at 15.8% with strong upward momentum. Dell Technologies shows consistent gains across all time frames, with a 13.9% year-to-date return. In AI and robotics, Hyundai Motor surged 9.5% with a very strong positive trend. Symbotic achieved its fourth consecutive one-year higher close while maintaining a 5-day winning streak. Symbotic shows impressive gains across all timeframes, up 130% year-to-date. Vicarious Surgical leads week-to-date returns at 27.4%, though remains down 21.7% for the year. Leading thematic ETFs focused on AI and robotics showed strength today. SPEAR Alpha ETF led gains, rising 1.4% to 31.35, marking its third consecutive all-time high. Wisdom Tree AI and Innovation Fund and First Trust Nasdaq AI and Robotics ETF both reached one-year highs with very strong upward trends. Weekly returns show SPEAR Alpha ETF leading with a 6.3% gain. Wisdom Tree AI and Innovation Fund rose 2.8% for the week, while First Trust Nasdaq AI and Robotics ETF added 2.2%. Year-to-date, Gabelli Automation ETF is up 12.5%. Electric vehicle stocks posted notable gains today. Rivian Automotive surged 6.2% to 13.70, breaking out after 3 days of consolidation. Tesla rose 3.2% to 329.65, while Li Auto extended its winning streak to 10 consecutive days with strong upward volatility. Li Auto leads weekly returns with a 15% gain amid strong momentum. XPeng and Tesla both added about 5% for the week. Year-to-date, XPeng shows remarkable growth of 54.9%, while BYD is up 42.3%. Quantum computing stocks showed strength today. Archer Materials jumped 7.7% to 0.20. IonQ gained 3.7% to 46.51, extending its winning streak to 3 days. TE Connectivity reached another all-time high at 178.97. Rigetti Computing leads weekly returns with an impressive 40.9% gain. IonQ added 11.2% for the week. Month-to-date, Archer Materials shows strong momentum, up 32.4%, while Rigetti has gained 44.7%. Solar stocks showed significant gains today. Ascent Solar Technologies rose 7.1% to 2.10. Solar Edge Technologies jumped 5.3% to 26.62, while Sunation Energy gained 3.4% amid very strong upward volatility. Solar Edge Technologies leads month-to-date returns with a 30.5% gain. Sunrun and Array Technologies have added 25.2% and 20.3% respectively this month. Year-to-date, Solar Edge shows impressive growth of 95.7%. Leading thematic tech ETFs showed impressive strength today. ARK Innovation ETF led the group, rising 1.8% to 77.63, marking its third consecutive day at a one-year high, with strong upward volatility. Global X Cloud Computing ETF and First Trust Cloud Computing ETF both extended their winning streaks to 5 days with strong positive trends. Weekly returns highlight the momentum in tech themes. ARK Innovation ETF posted a notable 7.4% weekly gain, while Invesco DWA Technology Momentum ETF followed with a 6.8% increase. Year-to-date, ARK Innovation stands out with an impressive 36.7% return, significantly outperforming its peers.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI. with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.